Welcome everyone, my name is Andrew Jones and I'm with Discovered Media. And I'm going to give you guys a little update today about the Noah's Ark project. And in this video, we're going to focus in on what happened last year at the grand opening ceremony. As many of you know, we were renovating this visitor center that the Turkish government built in 1987. And with your help, we were able to complete the inside renovations and do a lot of repairs to the outside. And we had a grand opening ceremony this last October. Now, so in this video, we'll give you guys a little walkthrough of what it was like at the grand opening ceremony. So in this video, we're going to show you what it was like to be there at the event, because I know many of you guys could not make it. And so here we go. So at the very beginning, we had scheduled our tour to happen during the grand opening ceremony. And so my tour group showed up and we were put to work right away. We had to clean windows, clean the bathrooms, install the new displays, put up posters, set up tables, all before 1 o'clock in the afternoon. And so it was a very busy morning, and I'm so thankful that the volunteers in the tour were so willing and very helpful. And so you can see in this video we're setting up the inside display where we kind of give a graphical history of the Noah's Ark project from its discovery in 1959 and to up through today when we did the last scans in 2021 under the Turkish scientist. And so this big display is a way for those who don't understand the history of the site can come into the visitor center and check out, just you look at the pictures, what is there and why we believe this is the buried remains of Noah's Ark. And so on one side we also have fossils from the area, showing that this area was once underwater. These are shallow water fossils like sand dollars and seashells. And we also have some books by Dr. Kaya, who's the professor and the vice rector for the local university, and Ottery University. And so we were very happy to include his books there and some of the previous symposium projects that happened in the region. And so we have a book display with fossils. We have this middle area with the big display that we printed and did all within like 1 week before, and we were able to have it shipped from Istanbul and arrive the day before the event. So everything kind of worked out. And then we also, as you can see, cleaned everything up and swept everything and picked up trash around the building. And then by mid-afternoon, the mayor showed up. And so she was one of the officials who had decided to come to the event. We also had Turkish news people, and we had the Jandarma commander there, and we had the chairman of the Turkish Film Commission. He was there. And so we were very happy to have these special guests and, of course, different tourists from around the world. Besides our tour group, we had some from Kazakhstan and Europe. And we also had some Americans who were not part of our group show up, and then also Turkish tourists. And then we had a grand opening dance ceremony where we had traditional Kurdish dancers. And we've actually had used this group before in the past. And so it's very exciting to see them perform for all the tourists and the officials their very special cultural dance here above the buried remains of Noah's Ark. Right after that, we had a very special meal that had local foods. And thankful for Zafir, who basically got this whole project organized from the very beginning. He pushed it all the way through, kept it on track, and dealt with so many different tasks and issues to get this to where it's at today. And so thank you, Zafir, for all your help in getting this prepared for the world. For those who want to come out here and see the Noah's Ark site, have this building that's been renovated. And so we are very happy at the results of this. So the mayor, when she showed up, we were able to give her a special tour. Zafir explained everything to her, and we also had other officials from government agencies there with her, and they were able to see the results. We had one agency who was in charge of the national parks come, and I think they had 3 or 4 of their personnel there, and they were so excited at the results, and they basically shook my hand and thanked us, and couldn't wait to give support to this. So this coming year, they would like to help landscape the outside with new trees and park benches, And so we just really want to make this a special site for worldwide tourists. So thank you guys again. Enjoy what you see here. It took a lot of work by many people, not just ourselves with Discovered Media and promoting this, and then the fundraising and the advertising of this, but also, of course, as I mentioned, Zafir and his crew, the local guys who helped with the construction, the villagers who from Uzungeli who have been watching the site and keeping everything protected, and of course the government officials from Agra University and the governor's office and the mayor's office and the district governor's office, the gendarma. Just thank you guys so much. And of course to our friend in the Turkish Film Commission who helped get out the news reports about all this throughout the years, Saeed, thank you so much. And again, all you guys out there who watch our videos and who had sent in support, here you can see what your funds went to and your prayers. And so thank you guys so much. We're not done. We'll have another video giving an overview of what happened last year from January to December with all our stuff in Egypt and Saudi Arabia and also here in Turkey. So thank you guys so much. God bless and enjoy the video.
שם בהרי ערערת, מחוז אגרי, נחנך מרכז מבקרים חדש. אנחנו ביום שבת מסיימים לקרוא את פרשת נוח, אז זה בדיוק בזמן.
Gemisi Doğu Beyaz'da şu anda bu proje kapsamında emek veren bütün arkadaşların da emeğine yüreğine sağlık.